So now that we have an AI agent that is able to search the internet, I would like to add another function, and that is emailing. So let's duplicate this one and I call it Tools Agent Email. Now we could add another step here and I will look for email. Gmail is possible, Outlook is possible, but I would like to send an email with my own AI server. And I would like to use the credentials for my AI server account. So let's fill in the from and the to email field. For now, let's say we use N8N email for the subject and test for the text. So let's test this step. I will just use the chat window trigger and we will see how it goes. Here is the agent log. And when I click on the send email node, I get an AI agent output here. So now I can drag that output into the HTML field. Now let's test this one. And it says it was rejected because we have an empty array. So let's try something like test text. And I test the step. And this is also the same error. So it's obviously not the output. So let's remove this, test the step again, and it still doesn't work. Now what could be the cause here? Either we have a problem with our credentials, but it says that the connection was tested successfully, or this isn't an error, and this is actually the case because I received an email, and actually the one that I have sent before did contain the content. So basically the red text in the rejected column means we don't have an error. So let's go back to the schema. I will pull in the output field again. Let's change this to text, test the step. Now let's click on expression. I want to drag in the output, save the workflow, test the whole thing. Let's say 3 plus 3. It starts to think. It says the node was executed successfully. When I click on the email node, I get the expression 3 plus 3 is a simple arithmetic addition problem. And I also received the email, which contains the text of the AI response. Now let's get rid of this additional link for N8N. And we can do that by clicking on Add Option, append N8N attribution. And we want to disable this switch here. And when I resend the email, the attribution is gone. And that's how you send an email with a simple agent workflow.